It started with an idea I had. I composed short melodies and called them piano gifts. I would send them to my friends, to people I loved, or people going through tough times. They were easy to download. You would receive them at home and you would hear ping and think, ah, Pascal sent me a piano gift.
I would send these beautiful, touching melodies to my childhood friend Linda. Linda was nearing the end of her life at that time. These songs were a true source of hope for her. It's going to get worse here.
No, it'll pass.
Okay.
That's exactly what these gifts were for.
This music helped keep her motivated and live fully until the last moment.
Sometimes little gestures can turn into big ideas, big projects.
I made a pact with Linda that I would share Pascal's music with the world. We thought it was wrong that all this beautiful and moving ambient classical music was locked inside his computer. So we devoted ourselves to help Pascal bring this album to market. I truly hope that his musical creativity will touch your hearts as much as it has touched ours. Find out for yourself.
This all stems from a little seed I planted somewhere with a few musical notes. People have since jumped on board and it's been fantastic. The most incredible thing is that music shines through it all. It starts small inside you, you plant it like you would a garden, and wow, it grows bigger, gains speed, and you have no idea where it'll end, and you think, wow, I will continue to make music. Absolutely. I'm convinced of that.
Yes!